Hey, so I decided to make a video of the Halloweeny or seasonal things that I bought in Canada, which, are not available in Italy. So maybe Italian people or European people might like this video. I don't know, but when anyone is living abroad, there are so many things that they would miss or they miss about their home and their country. And one of the things that's really hard for me are the holidays, and Halloween's my favorite holiday. So I usually get pretty sad or depressed around Halloween because I want to be back home and I want to, see the trick-or-treaters and I want to dress up and all that stuff, which doesn't happen in Italy. So this year I brought back a ton of stuff, not really a ton, but some stuff with me to help make the place feel more festive. I'm going to show you my haul of all the things that I bought Halloween or autumn related in Toronto because they don't have a lot of stuff here. This is the first thing I'm holding in my hand. It's a sign that says Happy Harvest. You can put this on the wall, you can put this on a door handle, you can actually put it on a door. And I thought that was pretty and cute, and it's made of wood, so I think it'll last a few years. So in Italy, it's really hard to find nice Halloween related things, and the holiday isn't celebrated as a holiday. Of course, even in Canada, we don't get a day off for it, but it's kind of a big thing, and it's my favorite holiday, and pretty much for me, like the best time to buy home decor, and I just love Halloween. I also got this. This is like a welcome sign that you can put in your garden. You can put it like in your lawn, in your yard or whatever, or even you can just put it in a plant thing, or I'm not sure where I'm going to put it or what I'm going to do with it, but I wanted to get it anyway. And these things were really cheap. I think this one was just $1 or something like that. So definitely I was like, okay, I'm going to get this. I actually just got a bunch of cheap stuff that I could fit into my suitcase to bring back with me. So nothing too fancy. I got glow-in-the-dark nails. Yeah, there's a reflection there, but like there's a cat design, a ghost, a pumpkin, and they are glow-in-the-dark, and you can just like stick them on. And so I thought, wow, that's... So I already opened this because I wanted to get rid of some packaging, but it is by Wet n Wild, and it's a Halloween makeup set with stencils in it, so you can create beautiful designs like that. So this is actually the vampirist version. Inside you get a black Wet n Wild eyeliner, which is very soft and very smudgeable. These are the stencils they're like stickers, so you just draw inside there to create shapes. Like this one is also one. There are these spiders as well. And this is the actual makeup. I already swatched them previously when I bought them, like just after. And you have like these creamy, very blendable red, a yellowy gold one, a violet one. This is kind of a corally pink, like a hot, kind of like almost hot pink, but it is a bit coral as well. This one is kind of orange. This is a very dark kind of blue. Here's what the colors look like swatched. It's the darker red kind of one, the gold yellow one. It's like looks like kind of red when it's swatched, like a lighter red kind of, but it is a bit pink too. The orange one, and it's like a blue black. Okay, and then I got this pumpkin carving set, which I haven't found in Italy. So I needed one, or I really wanted one, and they have stencils in it as well. You just cut them out and put them on your pumpkin so you know how to, where to cut along. This was on sale 50% off and just cost $4. The carving set was $7 Canadian, I believe. The Wet n Wild set I think was $10, but I'm not sure if I'm remembering that correctly, but it was around that. So now I'm gonna open this actually. So this is to put on the windows, and it creates a kind of eerie effect. And you can cut it so it fits your windows better. And when the light shines through, looking out, it creates these shadows, and it creates a nice effect, supposedly. I don't know, I never used one before. I also got these stickers that you put on glass or your windows. They are double-sided kind of stickers, so you can see them from both sides. And they're easily removable, so they won't leave a mark on your windows, mirrors, or any surface, glass-like surface that you put them on. So I thought they were cute and would be nice to have around the holidays. That means until December. I got these little figurines. They have these wires under, so you can spread them out how you want, but it's kind of like wire hanger figurines that you can hang around the house or in the balcony, or I don't know. I have no idea where I'm going to put all this stuff, but I'm going to put them somewhere. I got some socks because they were on sale. These were 60 cents. And I got a tablecloth, a vinyl kind of tablecloth, just because, okay? And then I bought some candy because you can't find them, like nothing Cadbury exists. I've actually been eating them. So these kind of candies aren't available in Italy and in much of Europe. I don't know about the UK. The UK tends to have a lot more stuff that is, you know, American, and they definitely have Cadbury in America, in the UK. But in Italy, they don't. So I really miss, you know, Cadbury. My favorite chocolates are Reese's peanut butter cups, and yeah. So I bought a pack of them. There's 30 in here. I've already started eating them, and to me this is just like the taste of my childhood and of my country, even though it's American. But you know what I mean? I just miss a lot of things from back home, so it's kind of good to have them nearby. So that's it. I actually didn't buy a ton of stuff. I mean, I couldn't fit it all into my suitcase if I had. So yeah, that's it. That's what I got. And so thank you so much for watching. And if you like this video, please click like and subscribe. And thanks so much for watching. Bye.